Hello everyone! For today's video guys, magluluto po tayo ng napakasimpleng ulam na chicken and mushroom stir fry. So meron po tayong chicken thigh dito. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng chicken breast. So hiwain lang natin to ng maninipis. At i-marinate natin to. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, and a little bit of oil. So mix well together and set aside for 15 minutes. So ngayon gagawa tayo ng sauce. Ilagay natin yung ating soy sauce, black soy sauce, sugar, water, and oyster sauce. At ilagay din natin yung ating cornstarch. Mix well lang natin until well combine ang ating sauce and set aside. Sa mainit na kawali, maglagay tayo ng konting oil. Ilagay natin yung ating onion at yung ating mushroom. So, stir fry lang natin ito saglit. Hanguin and set aside. On the same pan, maglagay po tayo ng oil at ilagay na natin yung ating minced ginger at ang ating minced garlic. Wala po akong chili, so ang nilagay ko dyan is dried chili para mayroon pong spike yung ating niluluto para may kunting anghang. Pero kung ayaw nyo yung maanghang, optional na lang po yan. At ilagay na din natin yung ating marinated chicken thigh. So haluin lang natin. At ngayon, ilagay na natin yung ating ginawa na sauce. Mix well until well combined. At ngayon, ilagay na natin yung ating na-fry kanina na onion and mushroom. So, haluin lang natin guys until mag-coat lahat yung ating mga niluluto. At maglagay tayo ng konting ground pepper. So, haluin lang natin. At maglagay tayo ng garnish na spring onion. And this is it, ang ating chicken and mushroom stir fry. Look at that guys, napakasarap. At I'm sure na marami kayong makain ito. Sa recipe na to guys, napakasimple at napakasarap. Kung gusto nyo to ang recipe na to, itry nyo para maihanda nyo sa inyong pamilya. This is it, our finished product. And thank you for watching. God bless.